Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to use Find My iPhone app. Find My iPhone is a useful tool thanks to which you can track and locate lost devices like your smartphone, Apple Watch or iPods. Firstly, you have to open the app. You can find it in App Library. Go to Find My, and here select device from the list. Right here you've got the list of all of your connected devices. To add devices, select Add, and now you can add to my AirTag, MagSafe accessory or other item. All of your devices will be located here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.